Good afternoon, guys, and you're on board with Colton's Computer at the Fine Arts Center in Greenville, South Carolina, one-of-a-kind institution that I am privileged to be a part of. And today I'm going to give you a Photoshop tutorial. We have CS6 this afternoon, and here's a little preview of what's to come here. So we're going to open up a new file, and I'm just going to do Untitled 2, and I got a nice HD format here. Alright, and so previously, if you've seen Caleb's tutorial, shout out to him, he showed you how to save a swatch. Now, I've done so myself. I'm going to open up my swatches and go to this guy right here. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is learn how to create a letterpress type. Now, it's a popular style lately. You see it on pretty much everything. You've got DVD jackets, cologne, to design itself. Alright, so in order to do that, we're going to create a dark colored background. Let's make it a little darker here. And then we're going to take our type. And so we're going to click on the type tool and click in our window here. And I'm going to type. And you can pretty much type anything. I'm just going to do, who knows. We're going to Command A here to select it all. And the way this is going to work, you have to make it darker than your background layer. So we're going to drag this down and to the left slightly. Yep, and everybody likes some playbill. So we're going to take our move tool and center this up. Alright, so continuing on, we are going to create a couple layer styles here, and layer style. And to do so, we're going to double click our layer. And the first thing we're going to do is add a drop shadow, but it's not going to be in the traditional sense. We're going to make this drop shadow white. And we're going to make it to where it is going straight down. Alright? Now, it looks like it doesn't do much, but it will add to our overall pressed effect. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create another layer style. Go into inner shadow. We're going to click on that, add some distance to it. It's pretty much up to your preference, how you like it. And there you go, we've got some nice pressed looking type here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up another one. And we're going to learn how to do a kind of retro effect going on. So we're going to create our paint bucket tool and drop in our color once again. And we're going to lighten it up some. Alright, and then our text. Who knows, we can do something else here. And Command A to select all. We're going to go into our paragraph and character tools again. And this one you can pretty much make any color you want. I like a little bit light in the background, and yep, that's what we're going to do. And we still like some nice playbill font or typeface here. So the way we're going to do this is, first off, we're going to duplicate the layer. And it's going to look really weird at first. We're going to use the down and right arrows multiple times, but we've got to have our move tool selected. And the next thing is to make sure that our copy is below. Then turn off the top layer. Go to our type tool, select all with Command A, and bring this to the same color as the background. Now we can deselect that. And we can't see it anymore, which is totally fine. No need to be alarmed. We're going to go down and right with this one as well, making sure this is still below. Going to a nice, we'll do a nice little red here, and then there you go, we've got a nice little outline of our text. Some retro effect, you can play with it, do it to the desired location. You can go, I like kind of down and to the right. And there you have it, guys. You can do a lot of cool things with text. In Photoshop, it's a pretty great program, and I like it. Speaking of likes, like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment, let me know how you're doing, where you're from. I'll send you an application through the Fine Arts Center.